Everyone, I be Ben Affat. I have tasted different kind of jollof. Hey, but the one that swept me off my feet is the seafood jollof. I invite my girls to make she come over because Charlie of late, the chemistry and things no days ago of work. But I have a secret ingredient. Onga. Hey, Mama's helping hand. Today, I go take this one do magic. Don't go anywhere. Just stay here with me. Let's go straight to the cooking. First, we season our calamari and prawns with the chopped garlic and Onga 3 mix. I'll add oil to my pot and shallow fry it for 3 minutes. I'll chop my onions nicely and add it to my prawns and calamari. I'll add 1 full scoop of tomato paste, stir all together, and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Whilst my calamari and prawns are frying, I'll go ahead and blend my red bell pepper, onions, and red pepper. So at this point, we'll pour our blended mixture into the pot gently. We allow it to cook for 10 more minutes. I'm taking my prawns out so it doesn't overcook. Now add my Onga shrimp, Onga stew, and Onga curry. I'll add water and wait for it to boil. Now my mixture is boiling, so I'm going to add my rice and a pinch of salt. I will allow it to cook to tender under low heat and garnish it with my green pepper and carrot. Stir gently. The aroma. Then I'll add my prawns and serve my delicious seafood jollof in my bell pepper cup. The way to my girl's heart is through my seafood jollof. And need to make 3 points.